All right, so the first gun up is the Interpool HVLP Gravity Feed Mini. I was looking for one of these for a very long time because I just need something so I can get into those small spaces. And then for touch-ups, you know, you need one for touch-ups. I was particularly excited about this one because it has 3 different tip sizes included. Comes with a little mini cup. Now the real question is, will my adapter fit on it? Those fittings is the, doesn't say. Will it say on the cap? No. It doesn't say on the cap either. Hey now. Hey now. How am I supposed to know? Come on now. Oh well. Guess everyone for themselves, right? Yeah. Whoa, I'm excited because I think the adapter's gonna fit it. So here's the actual gun. Actually, the exact size I was looking for. Trigger pull feels okay. Let's back this thing up all the way out. Squeeze the trigger, push in. When I start to feel the trigger push, that's when it's set to wide open. And there it is. I mean, it feels like it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna open this all the way up for the airflow because I have a regulator. Now the real question, will the adapter fit it so I can use... No! Oh, I thought it was, but it's okay. No bigs. This will be plenty for touch-ups and things of that nature. But overall looks pretty good. I mean, we'll have to see what it's about, but there it is, folks. Interpool. I'll drop the link in the description so you guys can check it out. And here's the fan pattern, all the way open. Looks decent. I'm hoping that I'll get some good results out of it. I really love the fact that it comes with different tip sizes, so we'll put these back in here. Along with that, the gun. Why not keep the manual? I didn't need it, but I am constantly spraying at home. Someone told me about the low volume, low pressure. I've never heard of it. I'm not extremely inclined when it comes to low volume, low pressure, but I'm excited because the buzz right now is that this is a really fantastic gun for spraying at home when you have smaller compressors. And I only have a 20-gallon compressor at home, so this should be very, very nice for spraying at home. Let's see what we have. There's the manual. Here's the cup, and I think it's 20 ounce. Yes, it is 20 ounce. Good deal. This comes with all kinds of stuff. Oh, I think this one does come with a regulator that I will not be using. I'll probably just use it for an air tool or something, but let's see here. I always hold the thing because I don't want it to just fall out when you can't find the opening. And of course, they're tiny. Still nice though. All right, now here's the gun. Cool. Looks good. Feels good. The weight is nice. All right, there she is. Little looby, nothing wrong with that. We can work with that. This little filter, pointless, don't need it, never use it, never will. Let's see what else comes along here. Oh, you do have different tip sizes with this one as well. How about that? So here, and this is what I'm talking about, the 1 point, dangerous. Let me get this readjusted, y'all. I'm gonna fall over and hurt somebody. Myself. I'm gonna bring over the handy dandy tool cart that also serves as a camera platform. Okay. Let's get this baby in position. And then we're back. All right. So that's the 1.5 tip. And here's the air cap. That might be a third tip size. So what's on it right now is the 1.3, which is a really good size for a lot of stuff except for heavy duty build-up primers and I guess those thicker flakes, you know, those real big ones. The gun feels good though, trigger pull, but okay. We'll see what it's about. Does it fit? Oh, like it wants to, yeah. All right, adapter fits, so we can use the MPS system on this bad boy. But there she goes. And the Mini. Let's see what they're about. So here I was wet sanding with 600 grit on the white part of this side of the tailgate, prepping it. And here we go, got primer on it. And now we're gonna go ahead and spray some red, emptying out the air tank, reduce moisture. Gonna spray my test piece and good Lord, my hair. I mean, I got the alfalfa hair going on, y'all. Check it out, goodness gracious. And here we go. Immediately impressed with how this gun is doing. Low volume, low pressure, new to me, but man, it's killing it. I love the way it's laying down, spraying really well. I'm super impressed. I think I'm going to end up spraying the clear coat with this gun as well. I'm going to clean it up right when I'm done with the base and turn around and shoot some clear. So check it out. Man, I am so blown away with how this thing is doing that I'm about to load it up with some clear coat and some ghost pearl. And let's see how it does. All right. I did a 1/4 cup. And now I just need to stir it up and get it ready to spray. Milky. Let's see how she does. So here I'm getting ready to spray the second coat of clear. The first one was just kind of a tack to kind of get it ready for the second coat to stick better. And so now I'm kind of laying it on a little heavier. And the gun, man, just doing great. I'm really blown away with this gun. For the price, it is a lot of bang for your buck, folks. You gotta love Texas weather. I was about to pull this thing out and then it starts raining on us. So it was sunny and now it's not. But this is what it's looking like, folks. Now remember, this is the inside of the tailgate. It's not any kind of an exterior panel. Just wanted it to look better than what it was before. And it's crazy. It's sunny and it's raining. I don't get it. But yeah, true scuff and shoot here, folks. Just wanted it to look prettier than what I was looking at every time I was looking at the truck. So overall, it's a keeper. I'm blown away. I think it's really, really, really good for shooting at home, smaller compressors. I'm very, very impressed. Highly recommended. We didn't get to spray with this little guy, but I'm gonna spray these mirrors with this little guy, so stay tuned. Also gonna be welding up those holes in that other tailgate and probably break this guy open for the clear coat. You guys stay tuned, and thank you everyone who's watching, supporting, subscribing. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.